Hello, I'm going to show how to create a website with a contact form on it. I'm using Microsoft Visual Web Developer 2010 Express. I'm using an old version from 2010 because it has a smaller project size. If you want to download that one, you go to this page here, then expand this and click on here. Then it'll bring up this page, then you log in with your Microsoft account. This is the one that I downloaded. This, you want to select DVD, and I downloaded this one, and then when you run this, you install Visual Web Developer. This is the same thing, but it's the web installer. The new version is called Visual Studio Community 2019. Both of these are free downloads, and if you want, you can probably use this one. The concepts are the same. Create new website. Select Visual C#. Select ASP.NET website. I'm going to name this contact and select OK. Right click and add new item. Select web form. Check place code in separate file and check select master page. I'm going to name this contact.aspx and add, and select site master and OK. Double click site master. You want to connect the contact form to the menu. So copy the about line and paste that. And then change the name of this to contact, like that, and save that. I'm going to test what we have so far. We have the site.master page that we added this one line to for contact. We have the contact.asp page that we created, but we haven't added any lines to it yet. And this is the default.asp page that was there when we created the project. So now go to debug and start without debug. And this is what we have so far. This is the contact page, which is empty. This is the about page, and that's the home page. So it's working correctly so far. Now I'm going to show how to create the database. Highlight app data and right click. Add new item. Select SQL Server Database and add. This is the Database Explorer tab. Go back to the Solution tab and you can see the database was added here. I'm going to show how to create the contacts table. So under Database Explorer, right click, Tables, New Query, close that, right click here, change type to Make Table, cancel that. I'm going to use this code to create the table that I pasted in. So right click here, execute query, and press continue. Query has executed successfully. OK. Right click on the table, refresh, and this is the table that you created. Now I'm going to show how to create the connection string. Go to Solution Explorer, double click web.config. copy this connection string, paste it here. I'm going to name the connection string my connection string. Remove this. Now go to Database Explorer, highlight the database, go down to connection string and copy this connection string, and then paste it here. Then you need to remove this double quote and this double quote, and we'll show the whole thing. And that's the connection string. Save all that. Now under Solution Explorer, double click contact.aspx. I already programmed this, so I'm just going to show you the code. Now double click contact.aspx.cs, enter this code. When you're done, go under Build and Build Website, and make sure it's succeeded with no errors. Now to test the website, go to Debug, start without debugging, and enter test data. Put test 1. And then insert. So that looks like it worked. Now I'll show you how you can go to the database and make sure that the data is there. So go to Database Explorer, right click on the contact table, select Show Table Data. And you can see that the record we entered is here, so it's working correctly.